Good morning, sixth graders.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Turkey. Khalid. Best morning, Ahmed Nabhan. I'm happy that Turkey and Ahmed joined me today in this lesson. Please always make sure that you join all lessons because you know that it is very important for you to understand all the lessons we have, right? So let's start with today's lesson. It is entitled Measures of Center. It is basically lesson 12.6. Who can help me out? What is chapter 12 about?
Measure of center.
What is it? Can you raise your voice?
Measure of center.
It's measures of center. So it's actually data displays and measures of center. This is what basically chapter 12 revolves around. And today we're going to speak of measures of center. It is a very interesting lesson, but needs much focus from your part. So are you ready to start?
Yes, yes.
Okay. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to summarize a data by using mean, median, and model. Is it clear? Mean, median, and mode. Have you ever heard about these words?
No.
No. We know the word mean, M-E-A-N. When we say this word means that, right? Like it is the meaning of the word, but in math, it's not the same as English. It has a different connotations, and this is what we're going to be learning about today. Modeling mean. So I will not give you at first the definition of mean in data, but I will let you discover what it is about. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with an example. Let me first do it this way. Okay. Imagine I offer a whole bunch of cookies to 10 kids. So what do we have now?
10 cookies.
We have cookies to how many kids?
10.
10. So these are going to be offered to 10 kids. Some kids eat more than others. So if I give you some cookies, Ahmed may eat 2, while Turkey would eat, let's say 4, right? So we don't know how exactly or how many cookies each child would eat exactly. I want to find out the average amount of cookies that one of these kids would eat. So what is the problem here? What am I supposed to be looking for? What is the question?
The average.
The average, exactly. So we have some cookies. We have a new joiner. Let's see who it is. It's Badr. Okay. Let's agree Badr all together. Good morning, Badr. Badr, can you hear me?
Yes.
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that. My dear Badr, we've just started the lesson. It is called Measures of Center. We will be basically summarizing a data set by using mean, median, and mode by the end of this lesson, okay? I will not explain the meaning of each of these terms. I would let you discover their meaning based on the examples I'm gonna give you, okay?
Okay.
Badr, would you please turn your camera on?
I'm trying.
Okay. Let me give you a request to open it at least. Maybe this could help you out. Let's see. No, I cannot do it from my part. Try to wait. Here. Try again, huh?
Miss, it's written Zoom is unable to dictate a
Wait.
camera. Make sure that your camera is powered on and is connected to your computer.
Okay, do you have a camera on?
Yes, on.
Okay, double check the wire then, my dear. It could be disconnected without you notice, because it's also not giving me the option of inviting you to use a camera, because you don't have a camera, it seems.
I have a camera. It's up here.
Just double check the white.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, as I said, we're going to discover what the word mean is about through going over this question. Let me see this way. So first, imagine I offer a whole bunch of cookies to 10 kids. Some kids eat more than others. I want to find out the average amount of cookies that one of these kids would eat. Let's look to the answer. Okay?
Miss,
Yes.
can I go out and come back?
But please make it fast, huh? Quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's just discuss what we have here. Can you remind me again, what are we supposed to be looking for?
The average.
Yeah.
The average.
Okay, before we proceed, so what do you think mean would be about? It would be about finding what?
The amount of cookies.
No, every meal would be the amount of cookies? What could it be about? I want to find out what the average.
The average.
Yes. Abdullah Sahel is here also. Okay, that's good.
Oh.
Hello, Abdullah. Hi.
I think collecting to audio.
Okay, thank you for helping me out.
You're welcome.
Oh, now Badr is here, but still connecting. Good morning, Abdullah.
Good morning.
How are you, my dear?
Fine.
First of all, I missed you. And then I missed you also in my previous Zoom session. Why you did not attend it?
I didn't know that we have an application.
Okay, listen. Last time we sent an earlier invitation and notification, but it's not a big deal as long as you manage to attend all the classes, okay? You cannot imagine how happy I am to see you all. Okay, it seems that Badr is having some difficulties. So Abdullah, I will wrap it up. I will make it very fast. Today we're gonna learn about how to summarize a data set by using mean, median, and mode. I did not explain the meaning of each of these words or terms because I will let you discover what each means, okay? We have a problem. Through this problem, we would learn more about the mean. We have a set of cookies, which will be distributed to 10 kids. We don't know exactly how many cookies each of these kids would eat, but we need to find out the average amount, okay? To be able to find it out, I will show you a video. Just give me a second. Okay, here. Yes, are you ready? Can you see the video here?
Yes.
Okay, I will enlarge my
So here we go. Take a look, please. I want you to imagine that 3 of the kids eat 1 cookie. They're not selfish. They just like, 1 cookie. 2 cookies go to 2 kids. Another 2 kids eat 3 cookies each. Another 2 kids eat 5 cookies each. And this little boy, he ate 7. He likes cookies. What are you going to do? Now, we're going to move all of these towards the middle to find our balance point.
Okay, so I want you to explain to me here. What is this man doing?
Oh, اشتغل.
Yes, very good, Badr. I can hear you. Okay, Badr, we're just solving the problem that we discussed before you got disconnected, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, can you explain to me what does this data set explain or show us? What do we have above number 1? How many counters we have? 3. What does this tell us? It tells us that 3 kids ate how many cookies?
1.
1 cookie. Excellent. Then we have how many kids ate 2 cookies?
2.
Okay, 2 kids ate 2 cookies. How many kids ate 3 cookies?
2.
2. Did anybody eat 4 cookies?
No.
No.
No
What
one.
about 5 cookies? How many ate 5 cookies?
2.
Number 6. Anybody?
No
No.
one.
And finally, how many kids ate?
1. 1.
One ate how many cookies?
Yes.
How many cookies did that last kid eat?
7.
Exactly.
1.
Count. Look,
Okay.
count the counters. Pay attention, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why do we have 10 counters? Because we said that we have 10 kids, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this data set in the form of number line tells us how many cookies each of these kids eat. So let's find out how to find the mean.
And the way I do this, I take one from this end and one from this end. And one at a time, I move them one space at a time towards the middle, like so. Boop. And we're going to do it again. Boop. And 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 again. And now all of our little dots are in a row right above 3. So the average number of cookies that the kids ate was 3 cookies.
You got it, guys?
No.
Okay, who can explain this to me? What did he do?
The cookie.
He was moving the dots, right? Did he move them all at a time?
No.
No,
Twice.
what did he do exactly? He moved one from one side and one from the other side. Each dot or counter was moved one place at a time, right? And they all ended up under one column. Which number was that?
3.
3. Bravo. We will see now another example, and then you would be able to tell me how to find the mean of any data. Okay? Let's see this one. Just a minute. Okay. I'll show you this example. Can you stay with me for a minute? There's an issue here. Okay, this one. Let me show it to you here. So mean as a balance point. So whenever we think of mean or finding the mean of a data set, we should think of balancing the information out, okay? Let's see here. What do we mean by mean as a balance? Would you read, please, Ahmed Nabhan?
So what is a mean? Mean is like a balance point. Mean can be defined as a balance point on a number line where the data distribution is balanced.
So just like when I distribute papers, right? When I give you out papers. So the data I have is distributed in a very balanced way. Okay, Badr, would you continue, please?
This means that the sum of the distances from the mean of all, I cannot say, miss.
Why?
Wait. Okay. Of all the
Points above.
points above the mean is equal to the sum of the distance of all the data below
The mean.
the
So
mean.
keep that in mind. I have like a number line. The mean is the balance or the middle. Whatever comes below the mean should be the same as whatever comes above the mean, okay? Khalid, would you read the last point, please, in this slide?
Yes. In more detail, the quantity on each side of mean, the balance point on a number line will will be equal.
Will be equal. Okay, let's discover more about this through this example. Okay, where is the balance point for this data set? Do you see this one, this picture?
Yes.
I have a number line. What is the scale from number 1 to number? What? To which number? To number 6.
6.
Now, I have an X or a cross on top of number 1. How many do I have on top of number 2?
3.
3.
Then on top of number 5, I have 1. On top of number 6, I have also 1. The question here is, find the mean of this data set. I will show you another video that would help you discover the answer. So this is the data I have. Pay attention. Can you see? It's moving only one place or space at a time. Can you see that? Now, okay. You got it? So what is the mean?
Yes.
Do it again. I will stop it.
3.
3, yes, because everything stopped here. Now let me ask you, let's see here. I will stop. Some of the distances below the mean. Let's look. Follow my the cursor, okay? Now, from number 2 to number 3, how many spaces do we have? From number 2 to number 3, if I'm gonna move, do I have 1 space or 2 spaces?
2.
From number 2 to number 3, if I'm jumping from 2 to 3.
1 space.
So let's count it. This one has 1, this one, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. Do you get it?
Yes.
So the sum of the distances below the mean is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 5. Now, let's study that of spaces above the mean. Let's see. From number 5 to number 3.
Miss,
Yes?
can you repeat it?
Okay, I will. These are the crosses of the data set, right?
Yes.
Okay, we need to calculate the distance from each of these crosses to the mean. We agreed that the mean is 3. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, if I look at this green cross or X, Badr, if I want to jump to the mean, how many spaces do I need?
1.
Okay, so this is 1. Now, the purple one needs how many spaces?
1.
1, so that would be 2. The blue one?
1.
1. So 1, 2, 3. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now the red one here, it needs 1 space to reach 2, then another space to reach 3. So that would be 2 spaces. So what is the sum of the distances below the mean? It is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. And how much do we get?
5.
5. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's study the distances above the mean. Ahmed Nabhan, to move from number 6, the green cross, to the mean, how many spaces do I need to jump? Let's do them together. You will count with me.
3.
Bravo. 1, 2, 3. Amazing.
2, 3.
Turkey, to move from the purple cross on top of 5 to the mean, how many spaces do I need to jump?
2.
1, 2. Excellent. 2 plus 3?
5.
5. So do you see how the sum of distances below and above the mean are balanced? They are equal? Do you get it now? I cannot hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you think that every time we need to find out the mean, we have to go over the same procedure? Do you think it is common sense to do it every time, no matter how much numbers or how many numbers I have to be drawing all the time?
No.
No. Drawing only would help me understand the concept. But now we are in grade 6. We are able to use much more complicated mathematical procedures, okay? This is why, after introducing the concept for you, let's see how we need to find out the mean of any data set given in a problem. I have it for you here. So let's see how to calculate the mean. The mean is the sum of the data items divided by the number of data items. So pay attention to the difference. I have the sum, just like what I say. Suppose I have 5 numbers, okay? One of them is 1, 3, 7, 8. So adding all the numbers together, that would be the sum of the data. And then telling how many values I have, that would be the number of data. Let's try to find out the mean by taking this example. It's very simple. Unlock the problem. Turkey, would you read, please?
Sarah made a paper airplane. She flew her airplane 6 times and
Recorded.
recorded how long it stayed in the air during each flight. The times in the second for the flights are 5.8, 2.6, 6.7, 1.6, 2.9, and 4.7. What is the mean of the date?
Yes. Turkey, why I cannot see you? Can you turn your camera on, my dear?
It's on.
Oh, okay, let me see. Okay, now I can see you. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the number of times Kara flew her airplane, right? We have a set of values. If we look back, Badr, at this definition, the mean is the sum of the data items. Can you tell me what is the sum of the data items in this problem? What shall I add up? Which numbers do I have in this set?
You have 5.8, 2.9, 6.7, 1.6, 2.9, and 4.7.
Amazing. So these are the numbers I have. Wait. The data
Yes.
I have. And how many values do I have, Ahmed Nabhan? How many items do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4,
6 items.
6 items. So to find out the mean, we need to add all the numbers together, and then we will divide them by which number? 6. Bravo. Why? Because I have 6 data items. Is it clear? This is 6.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I want you now on a piece of paper to add or to calculate the sum of the data here and tell me the final answer, please. You all have a piece of paper and a pen or pencil in front of you? Please
Yes.
add up. 5 and 8 tenths plus 2 and 9 tenths plus 6 and 7 tenths plus 1 and 6 tenths plus 2 and 9 tenths plus 4 and 7 tenths. What would be the answer?
20.
No, pay attention. When you find out the answer of a sum of decimal numbers, Abdullah, you have to align them all, right? So you would align the decimal point, then you will add up the tenth together and the ones together. What is your answer, Turkey?
Still, I will solve it.
Okay. Faster, guys, faster. Abdullah, I cannot see you working. Why?
I don't have paper.
Go and get a paper, my dear.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Remember, when adding decimal numbers, we should line up the decimal points. We will align them together. Then we
Yes.
attend, and then the ones. Then we keep the decimal point in the same place. Khalid, keep your cam on. Yes, thank you so much. Come on, guys, you can do it faster. I know you.
I'm trying.
Got it. I got 66.
Oops. How come?
66?
Let's do it orally together. Ahmed
No,
Nabhan.
no, Miss, I'm gonna finish now. I have the last equation.
Okay. Ahmed Nabhan, what did you add? Which numbers you added first?
5.8 plus
No, no, no,
2.9.
You put them all under each other, right? You put them vertically. Now, which numbers you added first? 8 plus
The
9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7. What did you get for answer?
22.25.
No, wrong.
Miss, in adding, I got 24.6.
That's it. Exactly. Guys,
Miss, should I divide it?
no, wait now. Guys, I'm so sad that you were not able to add up these numbers. Let me show you. Wait, let me share with you a whiteboard. Back to wait. I will stop and share now. Okay, let me share something. Whiteboard. Can you see that? Okay.
Yes.
I'll start with the first two. Here I have 5 point. I'll put the point like that. And 8. Pay attention, everybody. Then 2.9, right? So I would write the 2. I will put the point here. And then I will put the 9. Did you do it this way? No, it doesn't seem so. Then what
I did it.
add? Yes, I can tell from your correct answer. 6.7.
7.
Then
1.2.9,
1 point. Let me put the point.
4.7.
Then
2.9.
2 point.
Miss, I didn't do it like this.
Why?
I did it every one number.
Yes, of course, it will work out. Okay, now.
Not all the numbers down each other.
No, it should be this right here. What you did is without putting them vertically. I understand your point.
No, I put them like this, Miss.
Show me. Hey, and then you added the. No.
Yeah.
No. It will take you. So that's why it took you so much time. Look, Badr. Please remember, it's something that we learned previously. You would.
Should I do it again?
No problem. But for next time, look. Now, what are you going to do? See what I'm circling now?
Yeah.
You will add up these together. Then, how do you add up? Use your doubles. What do we know? 7 plus 7 is what? 14. 9 plus 9?
18.
Add 14 and 18. Then you add 8. Then you add 6. What would you get? Do it fast.
12.
14.
46. So you will get, it's 46, right? 46. So you will put the 6 here and you will carry over the 4. Now, what do I do with the decimal point? I keep it here, right? I add up all these numbers with number 4 and I will end up with 24.6. Is it clear now? Okay. I don't want you to do this mistake next time.
yes.
Any question? Okay. let's get back to our lesson, or to our problem actually. Let me share with you my problem. Yes, share. Okay. So what is the answer we said? 24.6. Now, what are we supposed to do here?
Divide it by 6.
Okay, very easy. Ahmad Nabhan, let's do it part by part. 24 divided by 6? 6 times what gives you 24?
Did I say miss?
Let him think of it.
Okay.
Ahmad,
Yes.
6 times what gives you 24? Khalid, would you help out? 4, bravo. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. We keep the decimal point. Remember, decimal point in the house, it goes to the roof. It goes up. 6 divided by 6 is what?
6 divided by 6.
Oops, we've forgotten everything, guys. Why? 6 times what gives you 6?
So, 1.
1. So what is the final answer? 4.1 or 4 and 1/10. Is it clear?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So to find out the mean, we have to. What did we do? Let's summarize it. Turkey, would you tell me what did you do to find the mean? What did we do to find the mean?
We moved the dots.
No, this is for the addition. To find here, to find the mean, what did you do first? You add up all the numbers, then we divide them by what?
6.
By 6. What is 6? It is the number of items I have, or number of data items. Is it clear? So that's our final answer, 4.1. Now we move to what is the median? Khalid, would you read?
I can't see that.
Me too, miss, I can't see.
Why?
It's even all of us, we cannot see.
Okay, wait.
I can see.
Okay, wait. I have an idea. Here. Okay, now you tell me. Can you see?
No.
No? Who can see?
Me.
Okay, I'll try.
Me.
I believe it's connection. Let me read it for you, okay?
Okay.
The median is the middle value when the data are written in order. If the number of data items is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values. Is it clear? Let me show you. These are the data set we have, right? Can you see them now?
No.
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Who can see? Raise your hand. Who can see it? Who can see?
Only Abdullah.
And Ahmed.
Nabhan also.
شلون ما تشوفون واضح.
Can you check, please? Maybe you've clicked on something in front of you.
No, me. I cannot see.
Okay, wait. I will stop the share and give you again the access to see the share, okay? Back to me.
Okay.
Let me see something. Now, what do you see in front of you now?
Your name.
Yeah.
Only. Okay, very good. Now I will share.
I can see Khalid's face.
Okay, wait.
Me, I can see Turkey.
Okay, fine, guys.
I can see Ahmed.
Now, what do you see?
Now
Now
I
I
can
can see.
So let me read again. The median is the middle value when the data are written in order. If the number of data items is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values. So, one secret point or one very important trick to do is, whenever I'm asked to find the median, what do I need to do? I need to put my data in order. You see it? Order. So let's put them in order. Wait. right? 1.6 is the lowest or the least. 6.7 is the greatest. Now, who can tell me what are the two middle values in this new set?
2.9 and 4.7.
Excellent. Why? Let's look here. 1.6 and 6.7 are on the sides, right?
Yes.
I move inward, 2.9 and 5.8. What am I left with? 2.9 and 4.7. So these are the two middle values of my data set. Now, to find the mean, I ask myself, first of all, the data set has an even number of values, so the median is the mean of the two middle values. Let's count here. How many data items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, we spoke of 6 items. Okay, so what we will do is we will add the 2.9 and 4.7. We will divide them by 2. Why? Because we have how many values here? 2 values only. 2.9 plus 4.7 is 7.6. Then I will divide it by 2. The final answer is 3.8. Okay? So I want you now to summarize what we've learned so far. Turkey, to find the mean of a data set, what do I need to do?
I need to add them and divide them by 6.
Every time by 6 or by the number of data items?
By the number.
By the number of data items.
Excellent. Now, Abdullah, if I want to find the median, and I have just like this example here, and I have an even number of data items, what do I do? I look for
we take the two
values,
value.
right? And then I divide them by which number?
2.
2, bravo. Why?
Must always by 2?
Yes, because it's an even number, my dear. If
Okay.
in the second lesson, we would have or we would tackle different examples where we have uneven number of values, okay? But for today, let's deal with the median of even numbers. So I look for the middle values. There should be 2 middle values. I divide them by 2 to find the median. And finally, we're left with the last thing, which is mode. Mode is the easiest part in this lesson. Ahmed Nabhan, would you remind us of the data set, please? Would you read the data again?
What is the mode of the data set? 5.8, 2.9, 6.7, 1.6, 2.9, and 4.7.
Okay, let me ask you this question, Ahmed. Which number is occurring most? Which number is repeated, unlike others?
2.9.
Bravo. So what do we call this 2.9? Who can guess?
Mode.
Bravo, very good. This is what we call the mode. So the data value or values that occur most often, 2.9 occurs twice and all the other values occur once. This means that 2.9 is the mode. Is it clear?
Yes.
So who can summarize for me what is the meaning of mode?
The number.
The two
Was
numbers.
repeated.
Bravo.
Yeah.
That is repeated the most. Maybe I have 5.8 2 times, but 2.9 7 times. So 7 or
You
2.
take 2.9.
Yes, exactly. Okay, is it clear? So let's try to summarize the whole lesson. The mean of the data items divided by the number of data items. The median is the middle value when the data are written in order. So I cannot find the median without putting all the data numbers in order. If the number of data items is even, the median is the mean of the 2 middle values. So I get the 2 middle values and I divide them by which number?
2.
2, bravo. The mode is the data value or values that occur most often. Is it clear, my dear?
Yes.
Have you all understood the lesson?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions?
Yes.
No.
What is
No.
your question? So no questions?
Miss, do we have another Zoom?
Yes.
We're having on Tuesday.
English.
Yes.
No, we have English.
Yes, today, of course, at 11. So that's our math lesson for today.
We have another math lesson in this week.
Yes, on Tuesday, my dear. You got the schedule. Miss Heidi already posted the schedule for you all on Edmodo. Double check it, okay?
We have all this week at Zoom.
Yes, exactly. So that's it for today.
Will we have a lot of homework?
Badr, you would get to see, my dear. No, not much, as long as you're understanding. That would be careful, okay? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for your attendance. Please make sure that you attend each and every scheduled Zoom session, okay?
Okay.
Stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.